Welcome back, Crammers, to question 21. The diagram shows a regular octagon and a regular pentagon. Work out the size of angle x. So firstly, if we can find angle ABC and we subtract that from angle ABI, we can then find angle CIB. And considering this is an isosceles triangle, that means this is x and this is also x. So if we subtract angle CBI from 180, then divided by 2, we'll simply find x. Okay, let's get started. The sum of the interior angles for a polygon is 180 times n minus 2. Given that an octagon has 8 sides, we can simply write 180 into 8 minus 2. And we have to get only one angle. So we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We only have to find one. So we can divide by 8. And let's use our calculator here. 180 times 8 minus 2, that's simply 6, divided by 8 gives us 135. 135. So what that means is that this whole angle here is 135. Okay? Now if we can find the angle ABI, we can then subtract it from 135. So let's use the sum of the interior angles equation again. 180 into, now we're finding this angle, so that has to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. 5 minus 2, that's simply 180 into 3. Then I only want to find one angle, so I divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Divide it by 5, and we can use our calculator here. 180 times 3 divided by 5. That gives us 108. 108. So if I can clean this up a little bit, we then subtract 135 from 108. Then we will get this angle, okay? So we get 135 minus 108, that gives us 27. So that means this angle is 27. And since this is an isosceles triangle, this is also angle x. So that means we can just use the sum of the interior angles for a triangle, which is 180 minus 27 must equal 2x. So we simply divide by 2 on both sides. This cancels out. Therefore, that means x is given as 180 minus 27 divided by 2. That gives us 76.5. X is 76.5 degrees. X is 76.5 degrees. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.